woke up this morning, coffee brewing strong. Got Pandora playing, listen to Lynyrd Skynyrd songs. I turn it up a little, well, maybe more than just a hair. With every note blasting, all my troubles get carried away in the air, in the air. Let the music hit me hard, drown the silence away. In the rhythm and the melody, I am exactly where I need to stay. When the world gets heavy and the troubles surround, I am lifted up and carried away by the loudness of sound, the sound of loudness. Neighbors in the distance, I'm not trying to keep it down, cranking up the volume till they all come around. It is a chaotic kind of comfort, it is the beat of my heart, the thunder and the power where I find a new place to start. With the world blowing heavy, I will dance on this ground, forever in the heartbeat, the sound of loudness all around. Let the music hit me hard, drown the silence away. In the rhythm and the melody, I am exactly where I need to stay. When the world gets heavy and the troubles surround, I am lifted up and carried away by the loudness of sound, the sound of loudness. Yeah. This world can be a burden, but I will not let it win. 'Cause there's freedom in the thunder, and the rain and the wind. So turn it up, let it blast, let all the worries fade. In the crowd of raging echoes, there is a refuge I have made. When the world gets wild, I just close my eyes, letting the loudness wash over me, a calm and sweet surprise. Let the music hit me hard, drown the silence away. In the rhythm and the melody, I am exactly where I need to stay. When the world gets heavy and the troubles surround, I am lifted up and carried away by the loudness of sound, the sound of loudness. So here's to all the clamor and every chord my heart plays in the sound of loudness. I am lost and I am safe.